Yesterday I bought at Hamleys and I got some things and I'm very excited. So I got two things. I'll show you. So first of all, I got this cupcake surprise, and it says that from cupcake to princess and back. So we can transform this cupcake to a princess, and we can transform the princess to the cupcake. So they smell delicious, and it has 6 different scents: caramel, grape, strawberry, chocolate, lemon, and vanilla. So these all smells so good, and I got the grape one because the grape one was smelling the nicest. And the other thing that I got is Shopkins, and I'm very excited to open this because I wanted Shopkins for a long time, and now Hamleys have it, and I got one pack. I got one pack and it has 2 Shopkins inside. So let's start opening. First of all, I'll open Shopkins because I'm very excited about them. It also says find a limited edition shimmering snow globes. Oh, I want them. I wish if I got it, I would be so happy. So let's start opening. Okay. So this is how it looks. Now the time to reveal. I'm very excited. And this is the house they come in. And here's the checklist. The checklist is pretty big. See? So we can find all these Shopkins. Now let's start opening the Shopkins. What did we get? Ooh, see? It's so cute. And let's open this one. And let me check which Shopkin is this. So let's see. Cuties. Yes, I got magazine maple donut. So this is a donut. And now let's open the next one. So the next Shopkin is I love STK. It means I love Shopkins. And let me see which Shopkin is this. I got Tyler T. See? And you know the Shopkins cost is 300 rupees. So I love these Shopkins and they are my favorite. So I'll keep them here, and now let's open cupcake surprise! Yay! So let's start opening cupcake surprise. It smells so good. See guys? So here's the cupcake, and it comes with a comb. So let's unbox the pretty princess which is inside. Ooh, she is good and she is beautiful. Oh, it's good. So cute and so beautiful. And this top could be a cap for her, like so. Let's see which one I got. I think I got Jasmine. So they come in all of these different flavors, and next time when I'll buy these, I'll look for a different flavor. And these dolls, we can find all these dolls. So its cost is rupees 5.99, and this is series 3. This packaging smells so good. Knock knock, Princess Jasmine, can you come out? Of course. Now I'm looking nice. Oops. Now I'm looking nice. Yeah, you look nice when you're out of the cupcake. Yes, I know it. Okay, so can I see your house? Of course, of course. Oh, your house is so good. And it also has glitter. Yes, that's why we love our house. Yay, yay. Wait. So here's my purchase, and I love it. And here the shopping. I wanted them forever, and now Hamleys had it. And when I saw them at Hamleys, I just grabbed it, and I love them. And here's a cupcake surprise doll. It smells so good, and I love my purchase. And she's so cute, and she's beautiful. So when I'm done playing with her, I can even put her back into a cupcake form by folding it, but I like her in the doll form, and even it comes with a comb, and I can comb her hair, and her hair smells as well. So I loved it, and bye guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.